Okay, here we are.
Thanks.
Here's
Mom,
Ellie or Nellie. I don't know which one.
Hi. Nellie.
Hello.
Hello.
Who are you?
I mean, hello. Hello. Hello.
No.
Hello.
Get your.
What happened to you that you have one
Okay, should I
huge
smear
left
it?
boob?
My name is Ellie, and this is Kelly, and this is Nellie. Wait, should I have my lip gloss smeared? Because I smeared mine all over
No, you're fine.
Oh. No, we should smear it.
Did you get lip gloss yet?
No.
Okay. Not too smeary. Try to keep it kind of nice, Blake. There you go. Ellie.
Oh, she's so cute.
Darling. Darling. Come here.
Each
Because
one
of the
of
red
them
hair, I
is by
love it.
themselves.
I already have really
so
naturally pink lips, so it doesn't even show up on me.
I love
Is
it.
this mine, Meg? Mine's over here.
Can we take everything and cram it in this bag so we can get out of here quickly?
You guys, what time is it?
Are you staying
Quarter
there?
till. For 2 minutes. I'm going to go in, see, and then I'm having dinner with Kim. No shoes. Alright, here, Kim, you videotape for 2 seconds?
Are we going to put grass in our hair?
Oh,
I think you guys are just darling just like you are.
Oh, I wouldn't do anything else.
Yeah, I think you're good. I'm going to get out.
I'm going to put it in here for now.
Okay, Ellie. Cute. Okay, girls, you're all together now. Come on. Oh my gosh. Look at. Oh my gosh.
Like, yes, yes. If you guys could walk like that, it's super funny.
Let's all walk in with like our things, like
No shoes.
we have to get in the character zone here. I don't want to talk like it.
Kim, I'm so sorry that I besides your hat.
Hi, Nellie.
Sorry.
Hi, yo. I'm Nellie. You keep saying hi, yo. Yeah. You look like y'all hey, y'all. I don't know if we from Texas or maybe we say Mississippi.
No, y'all from.
Oh no, wait. When you introduce each other, it's I'm Ellie Mae, and this is Nellie Mae, and this is Kelly
My
Mae.
pussy willow's falling apart.
I'm not paying attention with that.
Okay, we gotta go.
Wait, okay, I need to
Let's grab and go. Grab your stuff and get.
Oh gosh, I have to take a picture. Tina.